Bonjour, I'm back. So, my bread's just about finished. My second loaf that I made is in the process of doubling, so that's what it looks like when it starts to double. So in addition to bread, France is known for its other pastries and the croissant. These pastries were started with what's called a chow or a puff pastry. The croissant is believed to be based on Viennese kipfel, which was a sweet bread introduced into Paris in the late 1830s. As mentioned before, the guild system had been dismantled after the French Revolution, and because of this, many bakers and pastry makers came forward and started making a living in this business. So by 1869, the croissant became a staple in most homes for breakfast. During the 17th and 18th century, bakers began working with chow and puff pastry, which, if you're not familiar with what that is, you would recognize it if you've ever had a Napoleon or cream puff or an eclair, because that is what they're made of, chow and puff pastry. So today in France, and I know I'm not going to say this correctly, patisserie is a legally controlled term in which, in order to use that term in your bakery, you have to have an employed licensed chef working there. So I'm going to take the bread out of the oven. It should be golden brown, and when I knock on it, it should have a hollow sound to it. So hopefully that will be the case. Alright, looks done. Let's just see. So this is what it looks like. Let's knock on it. Sounds hollow. Sounds good. I'm going to cut into it. Let's see what it looks like. And another interesting thing that I came across when I was doing my Folium articles was that when you're in France and you eat bread in a French restaurant, you don't bite into it the way we do here in America. They expect you to tear it apart. It's still a little doughy in the middle. I think I'm going to put it in for a few more minutes. You're supposed to break it apart and put the pieces in your mouth. And when you are not eating the bread, you're not supposed to put it on your plate. You're supposed to put it directly on the table. Let's go ahead and give this a taste and see if it's even close to what it's supposed to taste like. Butter. Not bad. Not bad. Well, bon appetit. And au revoir. Thank you for watching.